Walla Walla District staff designed, built, and continue to operate some of the highest lift locks in the world, with an average lift of more than 100 feet. Our navigation locks on the Snake and Columbia rivers help provide 465 miles of navigable waterway inland from Astoria, Oregon to Lewiston, Idaho. The district's 5 navigation locks passed a total of 15,325,690 tons of cargo and commodities in 2021 alone. On its own, the McNary Lock and Dam project accounted for more than 5,652,975 tons of this total, consisting primarily of grains, petroleum products, fertilizer, wood products, and miscellaneous cargo. Navigation locks are closed periodically to ensure upkeep, replacement of parts, and repairs are made. These are called Navigation Lock Outages. The most recent Nav Lock outage started January 14th, lasting for 11 weeks and included McNary Dam. McNary's navigation lock is a single lift lock, 86 feet wide by 683 feet long, with a 75-foot vertical lift. There are 4 gudgeon anchors for the downstream gate of the McNary navigation lock. These gudgeon anchors hold the top of the 400-ton miter gate leaves in place and have been in service since 1954. The gudgeon anchor replacement was identified as the primary risk driver for a failure of the downstream gate. This project was funded through the bipartisan infrastructure law, along with the replacement of the floating guide wall at Lower Granite. The floating guide wall originally used timbers for protection from barge impacts. During the outage, these timbers were replaced with high-density polyethylene whalers to improve river conditions for fish on the Endangered Species Act list. The original timbers had been in service since 1974 and had decayed due to water, weather, and bacteria. Additionally, the original timbers were soaked in creosote, which presented environmental issues. Another project that just completed was the dismantling of Crane 5 at McNary Lock and Dam, which had started in November. The crane was original to the dam, and its duties included cleaning trash racks, removing intake gates, and transporting them to repair pit for maintenance. Due to fish passage criteria, the old crane was used more frequently than intended and was additionally employed to install, deploy, and clean fish screens. This led to many maintenance and operational issues that affected the crane's safety and reliability. This crane travels the entire length of the powerhouse on embedded rails to service all 14 main turbine units. Replacing the crane therefore became a priority for continued operation at McNary. The new crane has improved functionality and increased load capacity. It would also be vital during the process of replacing all 14 main turbine units in the McNary powerhouse. The completion of these projects and many more allow for the 465 miles of commercial waterway that is operated by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to be utilized. The Columbia Snake Inland Navigation System provides important benefits to business and the public. Approximately 9 million tons of cargo valued at $3 billion is barged on the Columbia Snake River system annually. The navigation system contributes to jobs, facilitates import and export trade, and benefits the economy, environment, and quality of life in the Pacific Northwest.